Let's talk about some of the easiest ways to make sure you stay on top of your monthly budget. Now, here's the thing. When you are going through life and you're busy day to day, it's hard to think, I need to manually write down my expenses. So enter in technology. Technology can be your friend. Maybe it is that, you're using an Excel spreadsheet, or you're using one of those fancy apps like Mint to do your budgeting and to track your spending. As long as you are making sure that you're keeping a track of your monthly bills and expenses, that is what matters at the end of the day. Because if you don't know your money, you can't grow your money. So whether you're gonna put good old pen to paper, you're using Excel, or you're gonna use a nice budgeting app like Mint, make sure you're tracking. That's what's important, so that you can use your 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% for your saving and investing. Allocate your income that way, because this is one of the ways that you can keep a track on your wealth building journey.